Mga kababayan ko, isang lundag silakbo. Ito na, si Attorney Leni Robredo!
Laban po natin ito bilang isang bansa. Yung kaaway natin, yung disinformation, yung kaaway natin, yung mga evil forces, sabay-sabay nating lalabanan ang salot na ito. Pero ngayon, mas naiintindihan na natin, mas alam na natin kung anong dapat nating gawin.
We need to understand how the platforms work, what are the differences between YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok, but we also need to understand culture. And we need to insert ourselves into those conversations.
Dapat matuto tayo mag-discern kung ano yung totoo, ano yung hindi. No?
Diba? We make them understand, but first, we embrace them.
It's not just gonna take like months, not even just years to fight it. It's gonna take decades, I think.
Mahalaga po na we do our research dun sa mga taong gusto nating kausap or kausapin. So alam natin kung ano yung mga issues nila at saka ano yung mga pinahahalagahan nila, doon natin sila pasukin. This is our work in Build Pilipinas. We are a community of volunteers committed to fighting disinformation by addressing polarization found on the different social media platforms.
At ang Build Pilipinas, ito yung grupo na siya yung mag-spearhead ng ating laban against disinformation.
Ito po ang tawag to be part of Build Pilipinas.
Ready na kayong lumaban ulit. Tama ba? Ready.